A very good morning to one and all. I am Dr. Kavita Chahal from Department of Botany, Government College, Bichua, Chinwada. In this refresher course 2021, I am going to present before you the new education policy 2020. This education policy is a reformation in education after 34 years. It is a kind of historic movement for all the Indians. It will definitely take our education system to new heights. And in this presentation, I'll be covering the most important reforms within 5 to 6 slides. So the new education policy 2020 has been divided into 4 parts. Part 1 being school education. The school education reforms has been reconstructed very nicely. The previous structure has been divided into 4 parts, 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. Government has clubbed first preparatory school and the first 3 years of school, that is nursery, KG, preparatory plus class 1 and 2. Here it is, fundamental stage. Then this is the first section of 5 years. Here focus is on language development. Then in class 3rd, 4th and 5th, fundamentals would be taught. Then in the middle stage, 6th, 7th and 8th, students will be introduced to different subjects like botany, zoology, maths, economics, humanities, and of course co-curricular activities also, so that the students will be able to select their interest. In this, vocational and practical courses as well as coding is introduced. Now stepping to the secondary stage, the students have to choose to select any subject combinations. It can be from science plus commerce plus art, humanities, as well as co-curricular activities. In the next part, the second part deals with higher education. Their foremost objective is that by 2035 at least 50% of the students should complete higher education, and other objectives are to reduce theoretical education and to increase more of professional or practical knowledge. So there would be a common aptitude test for all the students, whoever want to take admission in college. And the most interesting and good thing that I like here is multiple entry and exit option. In 4 years, UG will be of 4 years undergraduate. In 4 years of UG, after doing 1 year of course, after doing 1 year of certification course, the student will be get a certificate. After doing 2 years of course, they will get advanced diploma certificate and advanced diploma, and after 3 years they will be getting bachelor's degree, and after 4 years of course they will be getting bachelor's degree with research. The important thing here is that the students can take a break after any year and they can re-enter in any college for continuing their course. And all of the courses, they will be all of their courses, certificates and degrees and marks and co-curricular activities also, they would be stored in an academic bank of credit. Means they will be computerized. Means you don't have to carry with you all the papers of certificates, etc. Then to cut down the financial burden, a cap in fees is fixed for all the colleges or private plus government colleges. Then they will provide an optimal learning environment. They will provide suitable resources, infrastructure to students. National scholarship portals would be expanded. For teachers, 4 years of integrated B.Ed would be there. MPhil has been deleted before PhD. Then in part 3rd, there are other key areas of focus. They focus on digital and virtual education through computers and internet. Then on children with special ability with special talents, gifted students, and on adult education. Then finally, in the fourth part, they have made a timeline for the implementation of NEP 2020, and for this, they make it to be fully operational till 2040. So that's all. Thank you, all of you.